Good evening, everyone. I would invite Kevin sir to start the session.
Evening, dear students.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Hope you have done the homework what I told to learn the concepts and come. Oh. Now we'll go to directly to the problems now. The first problem of the day. It is a square ABCD. A square ABCD where A 0, 0, B 2, 0, C 2, 2, D 0, 2. A square ABCD where A 0, 0, B 2, 0, 0, 2 following transformation successfully. Successively. That means all these one are undergoing a transformation because of some rotation or translation or something. Successively some transformation happening. First transformation is f of x comma y is equal to yx. This is first transformation. Second transformation is happening as a f2 transform. Second transformation is x comma y is getting transformed into x plus 3y y. And a third transformation that is the of x comma y is equal to x minus y by 2 by x plus y by 2. So a square is there, a square ABCD, and the vertices of square are given. A 0, 0, B 2, 0, C 2, 2, D 0, 2. And this square is undergoing these three transformations. The square is undergoing these three transformations. This one, and this one is undergoing this three transformation. Now we have to find out after all this transformation, the square will become what? What type of figure it will become? After undergoing this transformation, one after the other, what is the final outcome of square? Will the square will remain square, or will the square will become some other geometrical figure? So we will do transformation. Let me write this three transformation. First transformation is y comma x. Second transformation is x plus 3y comma y. And third transformation is
X minus y by 2.
third transformation is x minus y by 2 by x plus y by 2.
X plus y by 2.
So my first a 0, 0. So this is my x and this is my y. This will get transformed into y comma x 0, 0. Correct? Next, this will get transformed into x plus 3y. X is 0. 3 into 0 is called again 0, 0, 0. Then this will again transform into x minus y and x plus y. 0 minus 0 will become again 0, 0, 0. Are you understanding the first transformation? A is getting this is first transformation that A is happening. F1 transformation. This is F2 transformation. This is F3 transformation. After three transformation, A is becoming like this. Okay. Hello. Okay, dear students.
Okay, sir.
Now we go to the second, this one, B 2, 0. My x, first transform is x should become y should become x. That means it becomes 0, 2.
2.
Yes or no? Now my
Uh,
second transformation is x plus 3y. X plus 3y, that is x is 0. 0 plus 2, 3 into y. That means I should do, if I take x plus 3y means that equals 0 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 6 and y value is how
0,
much? 2.
6.
That is 6, 2. Do you understand? This, I am doing this extra step only for you to understand. Next step I'll do directly and go. Now this will become how much? X minus y. 6 minus 2 by 2 is 4 by 2 is 2.
0, 1.
6 plus y by 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. That means 2, 0 is getting transformed into 2, 4 in the final transformation. Now what is C? C is 2, 2. So this will get transformed into 2, 2. Now x plus 3y, 2 plus 6, that is equal to 8, 2.
2.
X plus 3y plus y, x plus 3y, x 2 plus 3 into 2, 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, y 2. Now this is getting transformed into x minus y by 2 into x plus y by 2. 8 minus 2 by 2 is equal to 6 by 2 is 3. This is 3, 10.
10.
Now b is equal to 0, 2.
by 2.
This will become what?
5,
2, 0. This will become
sir.
2, 0.
Sir. Hello.
And this will become 2 minus 0 by 2 means 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Again 2 plus 0 is equal
Sir.
to 2 by 2 is equal to 1.
Sir.
So my a 0, 0. My a 0, my a 0, 0 is
not
getting
clear, sir.
transformed into how much? 0, 0. My b 2, 0 is getting transformed into 2, 4.
Yes,
And
sir.
my c 2, 2 is getting transformed into 3, 10. My d 0, 2
Sir.
is getting transformed into 1, 1. Now this is not over. Our work is not yet over. Our work is to find out now what is this ABCD is going to become now. So we don't know what kind of a geometrical figure this one is. So find the distance formula. And using distance formula, find AB, BC, CD, AD. If you're taking so much, let me do it for yourself. Let me do by myself itself. Sometimes, if it takes more time, we can save time. So AB is equal. Let me do AB itself. 2 x2 minus x1 whole square. That is 2 square is 4 plus 16. 4 plus 16 is 20 root 20. Next, BC 3 minus 2 is 1. 10 minus 4 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 1 plus 36 is root 37. 1 minus 3 is 2, 4. 1 minus 10 is 9. Sorry. Count 10 is that. What is C value? Sorry, supposed to be 3, 5, no?
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Students want to communicate with
Is it
you.
audible
Yes,
now?
yes, sir. Yeah, now it's fine, sir.
So now distance formula we are doing this one for this C is
Like your
student.
voice is
We have made a mistake.
Your
Here.
Sir, your
With
voice
regard
is
to
not
point.
clear.
voice is not clear, sir.
Voice is
Sir,
audible, sir.
Hello.
yes, sir.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
When you open your mic, I am getting my own echo. Just now I am hearing my voice. Am I audible to everyone? Okay.
Sir,
Now we have to use distance formula and find the distance of B and C. Here, 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 plus 1 square is root 2. Now same thing. 3 minus 2, 1 is 2. 4.
Sir,
5 minus
can
1
you
is
explain how it came root 20?
distance
sir,
formula.
how
Distance between A and B. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root of, this is your A value. This is your B value. Find the distance formula. So this will be my, again, root 20. Next from here, if you do again, it will be root 2. See what is happening? If I take if I arrange this one, some figure
Rectangle,
A,
sir.
B, C, my AB is getting 20, my BC is getting root 2, my CD is getting root 20, my AD is getting 2. That means what is happening? My opposite sides are getting, my opposite sides are getting equal. But I can't conclude whether what type of figure it is. It can be a rectangle also, it can be a parallelogram also. For that, I have to find the value of AC and BD. If AC and BD is equal, then it is rectangle. If AC and BD is not equal, then it is a parallelogram. So what is my AC? Distance between A and C is how much? 9 plus 25. 9 plus 25 is how much? 25 root 34. And B and D. B and D is 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 plus 9 is 10. Root 10. That is my AC and BD is not equal. Therefore, what is that? The given figure is what? The square is becoming a parallelogram. Do you understand this question, dear students? Hello.
Yes, sir.
We go for the next question.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Point 4, 1. Actually, what the question that we solved just now was asked in JEE mains in year, which is a year 2016. Just now what we solved. So the point 4, 1 is undergoing following transformation successfully. Same thing like what happened for now in the previous question. What happened? 4 points were undergoing some continuous changes. Instead of 4 points here, single point 4, 1 is undergoing continuous changes. The first transformation is undergoing is it is getting reflection about the line or the line y is equal to x. The first transformation is happening. the point is getting reflection about the line y is equal to x. Second transformation the point is undergoing is the translation happening. The translation happening through a distance of 2 units. The translation happening through a distance of 2 units along the positive direction of x-axis, on the positive direction of x-axis. The final position of this point we have to find out. Let us keep this point as P. We are telling that point P 4, 1 is a point. This point is undergoing some successive transformations. The first transformation the point is undergoing is it's getting a reflection about the line y is equal to x. And the second transformation that our point is undergoing is soon after that is there's a translation happening 2 units along positive x direction. So let me draw a small rough diagram for this one. That is, this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Now, what is the telling is, now they are telling that there is a point 4, 1. Now I have to mark a point 4, 1. Let us take that point as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Some 4, 1, some point is here. Let us take this as a 3, 4, 1. This is my point now. Having given this one, now what they are telling is the first trans doing is the line is what is this called as the line is getting a reflection for a equation y is equal to x. Y is equal to x is which line equation? Y is equal to x, which is the line equation? Yes, students, y is equal to x, which is the line equation?
Yes, sir. Line equation.
That's what, which line equation? What type of line equation is that one? Y is equal to x.
So passing through the origin.
Y is equal to x is the line passing through the origin. Correct, no? This is a line. Now this line is getting reflected by from this line. That means this point is there. You know the concept of the image and what is called object and the image. You study the concept of optics. Then you study about lenses, reflection, refraction, and all those things. Now, what is happening here? My point is getting reflected because of this line. The reflection about the line y is equal to x of this point. So, where will the reflection of this point will become? You know, let us say you are standing in front of a mirror. Your reflection is seen on the mirror. Yes or no?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Comb your ear on right hand side. Your mirror will show it on which side?
Right side.
Left
Right
side.
hand side.
Left, sir.
You're combing your ear right hand side. The reflection in the mirror or the image that you see in the mirror, that shows on which side?
Left side, sir.
Left side.
Left.
It shows the opposite side, left hand side. Correct, no? Yes or no? Same thing. Now, if point P 4, 1 is there, what is the reflection of this point?
1, 4.
Very good. The reflection of this point, I take the P dash is equal to 1, 4.
Yes, sir.
Is this concept clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is reflection is happening because this point is getting bombarded with this line. When we come to the concept of straight line, again we'll discuss this one. Put of the perpendicular image of a point. Or video. So the what is called as reflection is 4. Now, after reflection, telling that the second transformation, the point 4, 1 is undergoing is the translation is happening 2 units. The translation is happening 2 units along which direction? Along positive x
Positive
direction.
direction.
That means, let us say, if this is my origin 0, 0, the translation is happening only here. The translation is shifting only here, not along y-axis, along only x-axis, that to positive x direction. Therefore, the new origin is how much?
Sir, 3, 4.
3, 4. Not here. I am telling the new origin. The new origin is 2, 0.
2, 0, sir.
Therefore, the coordinate of this point in the new transformation will become x plus h. X plus h value is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. So the point 4, 1 becomes, the 4, 1 becomes 3, 4 after getting 2 transformations. Is this clear how we got 3, 4? Students, is it clear? If you have got clear, just put a one nod. Yes.
Yes,
No
sir.
response? Okay. Next question. Next question. The new equation of a particular curve. The new equation of a particular curve is 4x minus 2y plus 1 whole square plus 9 2x plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 25. A new equation of a curve is 4x minus 2y plus 1 whole square plus 9 2x plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 25. If the lines x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 are taken as new x and y axis. The lines x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 are taken as new x and y axis. Then what is the new equation going to be? Now we have to find the new equation of this particular curve. 4x minus 2y plus 1 whole square plus 9 2x plus y minus plus 2 whole square is equal to 25. Now let us simplify the equation. Now what they are telling? They are telling that this, what is this? Say this is in the form of ax plus by plus c. Ax plus by plus c is the general equation of a straight line. So that means they are already telling in the question itself. This x minus 2y plus 1 and 2x plus y plus 2 is two straight line equations. And these straight lines are made as a new x-axis and y-axis. That means this entire thing is made as my new x, and this entire thing is made my new y. That is this. If I see very carefully, it has become like now 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 25. But I can't make it. This is my wrong answer.
Four x minus 8y plus 4.
Why? Because we know yesterday we know when lines are coming in a transformation, there is a concept of intercepts. Yesterday we solved 3-4 problems. You remember? This is my line. Because of transformation, what happening? The line becomes an intercept. So I will be getting A and B. When I got A and B intercept, my equation should be in the form of intercept form. Is it in the intercept form? So bring it in the intercept form. So what will be in the intercept form is 4. This entire thing is what is they're telling is x minus 2y plus 1 whole square divided throughout by 25. So divide throughout by 25. Plus 9. Just a minute. Two x plus y plus 2 whole square by 25 is equal to 1.
1.
To take the thing common, now it becomes 4 into x minus 2y plus 1 by 5 whole square plus 9 into 2x plus y plus 2 by 5 whole square is equal to 9.
1.
Sorry, is equal to 1.
1.
So therefore, now we have to simplify this equation. They are already told in the question, they are given in the question that x minus 2y plus 1 and x plus y plus 2 is becoming like are the new axis of my new coordinate system. So it means given what they given x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to capital X and 2x plus y plus 2 is equal to capital Y. Therefore, what happens? The equation becomes 4 x square by x by 5 whole square. Correct now? Just a minute. We'll clear up what is written earlier. Now 4 x by 5 whole square with 4 x by 5 whole square plus 9 y by 5 whole square is equal to 1. If I simplify this one, this will be 2x by 5 whole square plus 9y by 5 whole square is equal to 1. Do you understand? Now,
Yes.
Sir, it is 3y.
pardon?
3y, sir. 3y
Sorry,
plus
3y.
5.
Yes, sir.
3y. 3y whole square.
3y.
Shall we go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question is a point, just a minute, a point 2, 2. A point 2, 2 is undergoing a reflection in x-axis. A point 2, 2 is undergoing a reflection in x-axis. The coordinates are rotated. After this one, this reflection, first thing is happening, reflection in x-axis. then a coordinates are rotated through an angle pi by 4. The coordinates of an angle rotated, the coordinates of the axis are rotated with an angle pi by 4 in anti-clockwise direction, ACW, in anti-clockwise direction. Find the final position of the point 2, 2. Find the final position of the point 2, 2. Let me clear the screen. Point 2, 2 is there. First thing they're telling is this point 2, 2 is getting reflection only in the x-axis. That means the reflection of this one should come in the x-axis itself. So what will be the reflection of x-axis? Imagine now it is like you are standing on the near the well and you are looking down the well. So your thing is coming downwards. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Miss, the angle of reflection is how many the angle of your object, your body, and the angle of your reflection is how many degrees?
90 degree.
90 degree. Yeah.
No, sir.
Imagine if you are not accustomed to well,
Yes, sir.
imagine that you are okay. Best thing is well is best thing. You are standing on outside the well and you're looking down. That means you have to face your head parallel to the well. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means when you're facing your head parallel to the well, your object is falling on the water or your image is falling on the water. And you are getting a reflection of your distorted image. Your image is distorted because of the movement of waters. What is that angle between your object and the image there? The parallel, correct, no? Hello, dear students. Dear students, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
That means here there is no angle occurring there. Because you're parallelly standing there, means you're parallel to the water there. You are parallel to the water surface. Any inclination is happening there. So same thing. If this is my x-axis and this is my x-axis. If my point is here, my reflection should come here. Then what happens? This point will become what kind of a point here this side?
Minus of that same.
Sorry, I am going to y-axis. Sorry, extremely sorry. After taking the well example, I am going back again. Sorry. This is my x-axis, no? Correct. X dash, y dash. Okay. Now my reflection should come. What are doing? The point image undergoes reflection in x-axis. This point 2, 2 is undergoing a reflection in x-axis. That means the reflection is taking the x-axis. That means the body surface of area is this one. If it is happening, the reflection here means this is the surface means you know that how much distance the point is there. The so much distance the reflection will come here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Somebody is telling something. That means the point will come here as 2, 2, isn't it? The image of this point.
Yes, sir.
Because the reflection is taking place with the x-axis. In the other case, the reflection was taking place with an what is called as a diagonal line. Here my reflection is taking place along only the x-axis. That means This is my surface medium, and if the distance from here to here is 2, means the reflection of this point should come out downwards towards 2 units. Correct, no? Therefore, the point will become here. Since x is positive direction is as it is, positive direction is there. Since y-axis downwards is negative, so -2 is getting. So the reflection, the first transformation of point 2, 2 in the reflection of x-axis is getting as 2, -2. Is this clear, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll go to the second transformation. The second transformation they're telling is, they're telling that this point P 2, -2 is there. At this point P2, -2, the axis are rotated through an angle of pi/4 in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, what happens? My capital X will become x square. Okay. Sorry. Before that, my capital X will become x cos theta. You remember that table we wrote the other day? So I'll write the table. So get confused. Instead, we wrote it as small x, small y, capital X, capital Y, cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Now I want capital X value and capital Y value, because I should get the equation, or I should get the, not the equation, I should get the value of capital X and capital Y, means I should get the value of the transformed point. So that means my capital X will become what? Small x cos theta
Minus sin. Y
y
sin.
minus is coming. See here, capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus capital X is equal to plus y sin theta. I want the value of capital X. Now I want to know the value of capital Y. Capital Y is equal to minus sin theta, minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. This time, this one we have used earlier also. So only I explain this tabular form so that you may not forget, you may not get confused when to use capital X, when to use small x, and so on. Now, I know my small x and small y value, that is 2, -2. And theta is equal to how much? Pi/4. Now we have to substitute everything, that's all. X is equal to 2 into 1/√2 plus -2 into 1/√2. That means this one is and this one is getting cancelled. Correct, no? Two 1/√2 minus 2 1/√2. This will be equal to, this will be -4 1/√2. If I simplify this one, this will be -2√2 -2√2. So the 2, 2 is getting transformed into 2, -2, and at last it is getting transformed into 0, -2√2. Did you understand, dear students, this one?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll go to the next one. Now we are going for the third level of problems. if the axis are rotated through an angle alpha, if the axis are rotated through an angle alpha, then x sin alpha minus y cos alpha is equal to p will get transformed into dash. If axes are rotated with an angle alpha, then the equation x sin alpha minus y cos alpha is equal to p will get transformed into dash. Now, the general theorem number 4. The general theorem number 4 is telling what? If an axis are getting rotated with an angle theta, then the new coordinates that the x coordinate will get changed into x cos theta minus y sin theta. Since the angle is alpha, it becomes x cos alpha minus y sin alpha, and y is equal to x sin alpha plus y cos alpha. Now substitute this value of x and y in the equation, that is x cos alpha minus y sin alpha into sin alpha minus what is given there x sin alpha plus y cos alpha into cos alpha is equal to p. Now simplify the cos alpha sin alpha minus y square alpha x sin alpha cos alpha minus y square y square. Sorry, it's not y square, it's y, sorry. It's not y cos square alpha is equal to p. Look carefully, this one get cancelled. Minus y sin square alpha minus y cos alpha is equal to p. I take minus y common. So if I take minus y common, minus y, if I take common means sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to p. That is equal to minus y into 1 is equal to p. Therefore, p plus y is equal to 0. So this is our new equation, or else same equation can also be written as y is equal to p. Sorry, not y is equal to p. So this minus y is equal to p. Is this clear, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Now, same this step I'll give one homework question. Can you try to solve that one? The equation x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p square. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p square, where alpha is the angle of rotation. What will be the new equation is? And one more question of this type only. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is also one more equation that we will be studying in straight lines, normal form equation. So for this two question, find the transformed equation. Is okay, yes, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then tomorrow we'll continue with our level 3 problems. Level 3 problems is very less in this topic. No much complicated things are there. Once that is over, we will start a new chapter by today's Thursday, Friday. Either by Monday, Saturday we'll give introduction, we'll brush up whatever we learned with straight lines. So from Monday onwards, we'll go a little more deeper. We will learn little theorems in straight lines. So as you prepare for your weekend test, kindly brush up the concepts what you learned in straight lines. We have learned lot of things: slope, different types of equations of the line, conditions for parallel lines, collinearity. Please brush up all those things. Once again, we will discuss. This time, instead of me explaining, I'll be asking one by one to explain what is the things. Okay. Then for this weekend test, we'll have entire transformation of equation axis as for test. Since almost we are getting into the culmination of this transformation axis, we'll be having from level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. Level 4 is nothing but like last time, what we did know, match the following assertion, reason, true or false. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. Like that, level 4 questions generally will be there. So level 3 questions few are there. It will take tomorrow. I think some 6 questions are there. Already we solved 1 question today. Remaining 5 or 6 questions are there. Once that is done, by Friday, by Saturday or Monday, we'll start the straight lines. So meantime, kindly brush up and come. So for the weekend test, the entire transformation of axis will be there from theory from level 1 to level 4. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Students, you've got a class tomorrow again in the morning, 5 o'clock, 5 to 7. Do join. Bye, everyone.